Awesome. Slope and point. We have the point. The point is 3, 1/2. Suppose I was just given 3. How would I come up with the 1/2?
Plug it in.
You'd plug it in. It would produce 1/2. How do I find slope? What's that formula? M is equal to what? Limit as x approaches 3. So as x approaches a, in this case, a is 3 of 1 over x minus 1 minus f of a. So if you plug 3 in, you get 1/2 divided by minus 3. This is amazing. And you should know that if we were to plug in 3, what would we get? 0 over 0. This is a discontinuous graph. This graph is discontinuous. It looks like this. Does the limit exist in that situation? Yeah, that's the whole idea. The limits still exist. This is why the concept of limits is so important. It helps us to be able to solve this kind of problem. So we know that the function value doesn't exist, but we do know that the limit exists. We're going to determine this right now. What should I do? A for the day. Common denominators. Look at you roll. Man, you guys are smart. Multiply top and bottom by dos, which is Spanish for 2. Top and bottom here by x minus 1. So I rewrite. The slope is equal to, on the top, I have 2 minus what? X plus 1. So if I wasn't on my A game for the day, what would I have written instead?
2 minus parentheses, minus.
Yeah, you would have had a, well, parentheses would still be okay, but a lot of people would just write minus 1 there. They wouldn't distribute the negative. You see that? Okay. Now, all of you guys know what 1 over x minus 1 looks like, right? Where does it have a vertical asymptote? At 1. And you remember that graph looks like this. So if you're looking for the slope at 3, tell me anything about the slope at 3. Small and negative. Everybody agree? Look at how I'm trying to make sure that I'm going to be coming up with a negative slope before I even do the problem. That's why understanding the graphical representation is so important. On the bottom, I have 2 times x minus 1 all over x minus 3 over 1. Sweet. I should really attach limit as x goes to 3. Okay. So, we have the limit as x goes to 3 of, what's this top piece? Negative x plus 3, or 3 minus x, over 2 times x minus 1. And instead of dividing, I can multiply by the reciprocal. Multiply by the reciprocal, and you have 1 over x minus 3. Is 3 minus x and x minus 3, are those the same? No, you have to factor out a negative 1. Factor out the negative 1, just throw it up there. Now I can cross them off. Can I now plug in 3? Yeah, you can. You know, you can see that these were the 2 that were giving you the 0 over 0. Now they're gone. So you plug in the 3, we get 3 minus 1 is 2, times 2 is 4, negative 1. Slope is negative 1/4. Sweet, the slope is negative 1/4. How do I write that equation for that line? Y minus 1/2 equals negative 1/4 times. Man, you guys are smart. Y minus 1/2. Whoa, is my shoulder in the way?
No.
Just say broad shoulders, Mr. Gantz. Say, Mr. Gantz, you are too strong of a human being. Your shoulders are too broad. Too buff. Stop laughing. Okay, and now I add the 1/2 to the other side. What's 3/4 plus 1/2? 5/4.